Hi guys, today we're gonna do a challenge. Challenge is no flashlight and no sound. For proof, there's gonna be no sound. I'm gonna show you first. There's some more. Yeah, no volume at all. So let's get to playing this. I don't care if I do it single player, but I hope someone joins the game. Yeah, like the only sound you'll hear in this video is just me screaming and just raging. I'm also not allowed to use the flashlight, which is pretty obvious. Still gonna do easy mode, even though that's not much of a challenge, if it is. Yeah, this is the only thing kind of certain. Now we just wait. Now we just wait for the downloading. Even though it won't be hard if I do easy, whatever. Mm. Okay, let's start up this game. Wait for this phone to ring so I can start the freaking game. There's gonna be no flashlight. Trying to make this experience a bit more weird. Wait, is he already? Oh, there he is. Okay, so no sound whatsoever. Even though sound is the main way I'll win. The sound is how I usually win. So this is gonna be a huge problem. And what else is gonna be huge? Okay, no. Oh, dang it. You know, this is a very simple task to do. It takes pretty long. Please, it you can just that's whenever. Yes, I'm gonna keep an eye on him at all times. Make sure he doesn't. Make sure he doesn't attack me. I gotta check for him so that he's usually in. Yes. Yep, he's definitely in full. Okay, it's in cam 3. Wait, what? I forgot. This is what happens when you don't have any sound. I'm more prone to mistakes. That's it's almost here, so right when it disappears, I'll turn the light off. Leave. Doing this with no sound is pretty hard, especially when a game relies on sound. It doesn't let them. Oh yeah, I use. So so the charger I'm going to use here. 25 seconds after he leaves, and when my exposure gets too high, then 25 seconds after you close it, we're about 22. Like, okay. Just wait. 1, 10, 4, 6. Okay, it's gone. That wasn't easy, but we're gonna have to continue doing that for the whole time. And you know I do not like this. I do not like playing this game. Stuff. Is he back at camp 2? Dang it. He's in camp 7, actually. Let's do this very quick. Do it later. No, right now. I'm gonna regret this. If I actually do. I'm not sure if I will. Now he's on cam 1. But for real, he's been hitting my power ever since the game started. Which will make this. I'll wait about 15 seconds. Yeah? I'm going to the shower, okay? Okay. Okay, there it is. What is going up? Oh, I forgot. Again. Why do I always forget? As soon as he leaves, I'm gonna. Okay. Time to enter. I wonder how I'm gonna do this. The flashlight isn't that bad, but no sound? It's just crazy. I know it's not that bad. Whatever. As soon as he leaves, oh wait, 10 to 15 seconds. Like, because he had eaten that amount of time. Based on the many times that I played this game. Wait, just wait. Gotta wait. Let's do this. Wait, wait. Six. This phone be wasting my time. It's way better. Let's just shut the game. Okay, now he's back. This game is gonna get insanely hard. Because usually in this game I rely on sounds. Because sounds is important. Sounds happen when he leaves. Sounds happen when he's just there. Wait, where? I can't find it. Bro, can't find it. Okay, there he is. See, I was worried for a sec. Because I couldn't find him. There's a oh. But I'd assume he'd be coming. You need sound to know when the awareness is going up. You need sound for literally everything in this game. Like, how are you supposed to play it without sound? Is that how you win? Is how you get shaking bird. As soon I'll wait 12 seconds, just like usual, or about just 12 seconds. I don't care how fast I count. I'll leave. Because me down all the thing. I don't look like that. I'm not. I'm. You know what? Why am I even asking? Sometimes I'm not sure. Switch to the phone limits because the phone doesn't ring when you choose to. See, that phone saved me. Now the phone is literally destroying me. For this is even about the time I wait for him. It's just so pretty slow that he's already back at camp 2. But as long as I place fair, I'll just be fine. As soon as I see it. Yeah, he's back in cam 1. Don't judge me. Okay, I'm I can't even hear a phone. That it literally is the only reason why I lose. Whatever. At least he's still in the same. Okay, where is he? Okay, he's at camp 4. He's at camp 4. He's at camp 4. He's at camp 4. Why is the basement picture back? Swear, if I get destroyed by the intruder, I'm gonna be because I spent like. Hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot. It ended. So guys, that was my painful experience of literally doing this challenge without sound in out flashlight. The flashlight wasn't that bad, but I had no sound, which was literally the hardest part of this video. But I hope you enjoyed it anyways.